Alright, end of the last ride, Justin and I went up that road and we crashed hysterically. I'm going to try it again. It's a little more technical. But I encountered some stuff similar today, so I might have it. Might have it today. We shall see. Those branches are wet as hell. Holy shit, that's wet. Maybe not second gear. But I might want some momentum for this, so here we go. Woo! That's gonna be challenging. I think this is it, Justin. And we killed it. A dead end like we suspected. We were so close. Whew. Oh, I'm sideways, which is not my first start on this. Okay. Let's see if we can just turn this bitch and ride the way. Okay, here we go. Yeah. Really slippery, back end's cutting around. Alright. Maybe second gear so my back end's not locking up under engine braking. And below bridge. More low bridge. Wee-hoo! Whoa, I need to learn how to jump. Back end it gets way up in the air, but not the nose. It's like an OTB situation. Second gear. Rocky rocks. Whoa. Whoa, buddy. No weight on the bars. There we go. Woo! And we made it. And so far we're not broken. Let's be stupid and try some other stuff. Let's just go. Woo! Yeah. Alright. Celebratory donut with a crash. Let's try it. I suck at these, so get ready to laugh. Whoa! Almost all the way around. Let's turn her off. Whew. Hey, look at that. Not bad. Just didn't carry it out. And somehow... there we go. Whew. I think it's time for a lunch break. One piece. Still one piece.